Plain supine, with my body facing up and my palms facing down. Yeah, that's supine. Prone, I'm laying prone, with my body facing down and my palms facing up. Yeah, that's prone. Now let's talk about some planes. We've got sagittal plane. Yeah, sagittal plane. Cuts down the middle. Yeah, sagittal plane. Now we've got frontal plane. Yeah, frontal plane. Separates the front and the back. Yeah, the front and the back. Yeah, it's frontal plane. Now we've got transverse plane. Yeah, transverse plane. Divides the body into upper and lower. Yeah, upper and lower. Yeah, that's transverse plane.